Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to find keywords data in Google Ads account. First of all, you have to log in your Google Ads account, and then you have to go to on audience, keywords and content, and then click on keywords. Here you can find your all the keywords. And if you want to add any keywords, you can select campaign and ad groups and simply add your keywords, and you can find more keywords from here. So these are your keywords. If you want to pause any keywords or remove or enable, you can do simply from here. You can see all the things here, that what's the CPC status, final URL. If you want to add more columns, you can add from here. Conversions, conversion value per cost, that means ROAS. So many things you can add. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.